Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Mock. If you are someone who always face slowness in your math calculation in the examination and you face that you are making mistakes in your calculation, then this video is an ultimate solution for you, because in this video I'm talking about a speed math free book that I'm going to provide you, which will help you with this problem. Now, before you learn each and everything about this book, ask yourself this question: what is the biggest reason you lose marks in math in any competitive examination? And you will be surprisingly find that it is not about the concepts. It is mostly about slow calculations and wrong calculations. And you know the method, you know the answer, but time slips away and you can't able to solve the questions on time and you get panicked, and this happened repeatedly. So if I have to summarize it, I would say in any examination, whether it is SSC, banking, railway, defense, the biggest score killer in mathematics is rechecking the calculation. You once solve the question, then you go for checking it twice, and that's how you lose time, that's how you lose your confidence, and that's how you lose the whole track of this whole paper, and that is leading you to low score and low selection. So I would so understand this calculation error is not only taking a lot of your time but also taking a very good score of yours and keeping you not getting selected. To eliminate this problem permanently, I have created this speed math book, which will help you calculate very fast in the next 30 days. And this book is specifically designed not only at the exam level, but it's a one step above your exam level. So whatever the surprises is there, you won't fear. You will have your confidence as it is in the examination. So let's learn what you will be getting in this particular book. See, this book is specifically designed in such a way that every day you will be getting 25 questions. So on that 25 questions, you will see high intensity calculations like addition, subtractions, multiplications, finding percentage questions. You need to find out the lowest fraction, highest fractions. You can see HCF, LCM, you can see simplification questions, percentage based questions. So these speed drills are designed in such a way that you will be exam ready from the very first day. And when you are solving these questions, I would recommend that you use a timer. This is a keychain timer. It will cost you hardly 200 250. But when you use this timer, you will have an exam like mindset with which you can solve the questions and see how you are progressing on each and every day. And trust me, this is not a 1 day or 2 day or 30-day system. This is a repeatable 30-day system which you can use again and again. You can go back to the day one and start again after the 30 days. And I shared this book in my paid math batch group 15 days ago. And what I see, that was amazing. Many students who are following this book, they have seen that their calculation speed is now increased by 40 to 60%, and they are no longer double checking. That was the biggest problem they were facing before solving these questions. So this book will help you being very fast, being very accurate, and being very confident in your examination. If you are preparing for SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, banking, railway, defense, or any competitive examination in India, this is not just a book. It's your 30 days transformation book. It will help you be very good in calculation, and you can get this book completely free in my Telegram channel SSC Mock Official. This book will be available at 8 p.m. tonight in our Telegram channel. Join this Telegram channel and download this book and ensure that you are now calculating 2x faster. So all the very best. See you in the next video.